Imagine opening a private garage and seeing not just cars, but rolling masterpieces worth more than entire mansions. Today, we are stepping inside the secret world of the most expensive cars owned by billionaires. This is not just about speed or luxury. It is about status, exclusivity, and a desire to own something that almost no one else on earth can have for billionaires. Cars are more than transportation. They are art, investments, and symbols of power. Some of these vehicles are produced in extremely limited numbers. Others are custom-built, designed specifically for one person. The price tags can reach tens of millions of dollars, and in some cases, even higher. Let's begin with one of the most legendary luxury car brands in the world, Rolls-Royce. Billionaires love Rolls-Royce not only for comfort, but for customization. Owners can choose every detail, from rare wood interiors to diamonds embedded in the dashboard. Some Rolls-Royce models are so unique that they are never shown to the public. Each one becomes a private creation, reflecting the personality and taste of the owner. Next is Bugatti, a brand known for engineering perfection. Models like the Chiron and limited editions have become symbols of extreme wealth. These cars combine breathtaking speed with luxury. Many billionaires own multiple Bugattis, treating them as collectible assets. One famous example of a billionaire collector is Jay Leno. His garage is legendary, filled with rare and historic vehicles. Although not all of his cars are the most expensive in the world, his passion shows how car culture connects wealth with personal identity and history. Let's talk about hypercars. Brands like Pagani and Koenigsegg produce machines that look like they came from the future. These cars often cost millions of dollars and are limited to only a few units globally. Owning one means joining an exclusive club. Another key name in this world is Ferrari. Ferrari's rare models are often invitation only. Billionaires must build relationships with the company to gain access. This makes ownership even more prestigious. One of the most expensive cars ever is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, a unique masterpiece that redefined luxury and exclusivity. For billionaires, buying such cars is not just about driving. It is about legacy, and rarity. Customization is another fascinating aspect. Some billionaires commission one-of-one vehicles. Designers and engineers work for years to create something never seen before. This process can cost more than the car itself. Security is also important. These vehicles are stored in climate-controlled garages, protected by advanced systems. Some collectors even keep their cars in secret locations. Another reason billionaires invest in cars is appreciation. Rare vehicles often increase in value over time. Limited editions become collector items, sometimes doubling or tripling in price. Technology plays a big role too. Electric hypercars and sustainable luxury are rising trends. Billionaires are investing in future mobility, combining performance with environmental responsibility. The lifestyle around these cars is equally extraordinary. Private racing events, exclusive auctions, and luxury gatherings bring collectors together. These events are networking platforms where business deals and partnerships are formed, but behind this luxury is a deeper mindset. Billionaires often see cars as rewards for discipline and risk-taking. Each vehicle represents a milestone in their journey. What can we learn from this world? The biggest lesson is that success creates choices. Some choose art. Others choose philanthropy. Many choose rare machines that represent their vision and passion. But there is an even deeper level to this world that most people never see. For many billionaires, the most expensive cars are not driven on public roads at all. They are part of private collections, displayed like museum pieces. Some of these garages are larger than luxury homes, with perfect lighting, temperature control, and security. Walking into these spaces feels like entering an exclusive art gallery where every car tells a story of innovation, ambition, and success. Take collectors who own ultra-rare models from Bugatti or Ferrari. These vehicles often represent decades of engineering excellence. Each one carries a legacy connected to racing history, design evolution, and technological breakthroughs. Billionaires do not just see the price tag. They see heritage, craftsmanship, and global prestige. Another fascinating aspect is the competition between collectors. Some of the world's richest individuals quietly compete to own the rarest and most exclusive cars ever made. Invitations to private auctions are extremely limited. These events are held in secret locations, and only the most trusted buyers are allowed to participate. Winning a rare vehicle at one of these auctions is considered a major status achievement. There's also a strong emotional connection. Many billionaires grew up dreaming about cars. When they achieve success, buying these vehicles becomes a personal celebration of their journey. It reminds them of how far they have come and motivates them to keep pushing forward. We also see a growing trend toward futuristic and sustainable hypercars. Electric and hybrid technology is transforming the luxury car industry. Visionary entrepreneurs like Elon Musk have changed how the world thinks about performance and sustainability through companies like Tesla. Now, even traditional luxury brands are investing heavily in electric innovation. Another layer of this lifestyle is access. Billionaires often get early previews of upcoming models years before the public. They work directly with designers and engineers to shape the final product. This level of influence allows them to create vehicles that match their personality, business vision, and global image. Private racetracks are also becoming popular. Some billionaires build their own racing circuits on private estates. This allows them to experience extreme speed safely, away from public attention. These tracks host exclusive events where elite guests test hypercars, form partnerships, and celebrate luxury culture. Insurance, logistics, and transportation are equally complex. Moving a multi-million-dollar car across continents requires specialized teams. Every step is planned, from climate-controlled shipping to armed security escorts. Perhaps the most surprising part of this world is how quiet it is. Many of the richest collectors never show their cars publicly. They prefer privacy and exclusivity over social media attention. Their collections remain hidden, known only to a small circle of friends and experts in the end. The most expensive cars owned by billionaires represent more than speed or luxury. They symbolize freedom, achievement, and the power to turn dreams into reality. They remind us that success is not only about money, but about passion, vision, and the courage to pursue what inspires you. If this deep dive into the hidden world of billionaire car collections inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next story.